Hey guys, this is Vino. You are watching Vino Schooly. In this session, we are going to discuss about like operator. So we are using like operator to find out strings using substrings. For example, if you want to find out a name starts with B, a name starts with F. So like this, if you want to find out a name starts with ends with in the middle, we are using like operator. Now we are going to see the syntax rules. First we have to use select command. Select star is the first part, then second part is from table name, then third part is where and selected column name. Next, finally like operator has to come. Then after like operator, it's very important thing, we have to use single quotes. Inside a single quotes, we are going to use two super symbols called wildcard characters. We are using two symbols, one is percent, another one is underscore. These two symbols are called wildcard characters. By using these two symbols, we are going to find out as strings. Let's start with example. So we are having a table called pet. It is having a set of datas. So we are going to select pet name column, and in that column we are going to find out the names with J, the names ends with I, the name is having alphabet A. So like this we are going to find out using like operator, using its wildcard characters percentage and underscore. First we have to start with select command, asterisk from class, then table name is pet, then we have to use where class, then we have to use selected column name. My selected column name is pet name. Then we have to use like operator or like keyword. We have to use wildcard characters inside a single quotes. It is very important, right? Without giving space, we have to use wildcard characters, right? Here I want to display the name starts with or, so I am placing or. So remaining characters I don't know, in that place I am going to use percentage. We can use percentage for multiple characters. So if you are using this syntax, if you are using percentage wildcard, it will get you the name starts with or. You can see that Ramu and Rocky. Then we will see one more example. If you want to display the name starts with D, you can use D percentage. Percentage means remaining characters. In this example I knows only a lost character of a name. For example, Y is my lost character. So if it is a lost character, the character has to come lost, right? So percentage has to come first, then we have to give the ending character. So you can see that in this table, okay, the names ends with Y is a Vijay. Okay, so if you are using percentage Y, you will get the name ends with Y. So if you want to see the name ends with gun, we can use percentage gun. You can see here, if you don't know starting character and ending character, so for starting character we can use 1%. Then you can give any character inside a name, for example A. Okay, then for ending character we are going to use percentage. That means we don't know starting character and we don't know the ending character, but we knows that the word is having A character, right? So single quotes is missing. You can see that the word which is having A, all the names are displayed having a A character. Okay, it may be in the second place, it may be in the fourth place, but if you are using percentage, A percentage means you will get names which is having A character. Next we are going to use underscore. If you are using underscore, one underscore is equal to one character, right? But percentage is equal to many characters, right? But if you are using underscore, if you are missing values, if you want to find out name, we have to give exact underscore. Okay, so one underscore is for one character. So I am using underscore and A, right? I want to display Durga, right? Durga, totally 5 characters, right? But I used only one underscore, right? What will happen? It will give you empty set. because we have to give 4 underscore for 4 character, right, except a. We should not use space between the underscores, right? So 1 2 3 4, you can see that Durga, because except here there are 4 characters. 4 characters are remaining, so for each character we have to give underscore. If it is a 5 character, we have to use 5 underscore. If it is a 3 character, we have to use 3 underscore. If you don't know exact characters, we cannot use underscore, right? We have to go for percentage. You can find out the names with symbols, right? Dollar symbol is there, underscore, percentage, right? By using these symbols, I am going to find out the names. So I want to find out the a name which is having a dollar symbol, right? So I don't know starting character, so I'm using 1 percentage, and I don't know the ending character, and one more percentage I am using, right? So here we got the name which is having a dollar symbol, right? So like this we are going to find out the name which is having underscore. But here the name which is having underscore is not displayed. All the data are displayed. If you are using underscore to find out inside a like operator, it will not work, because that underscore is a wildcard character. So we are using underscore to find out the values, right? So if you want to find out the underscore, it is not possible. So like this, so if you want to find out the word with the percentage, not possible. So if you want to find out percentage and underscore as data by using like operator, it is not possible. So what we have to do, we have to add one more class to solve this problem. That class name is called escape clause. So we are going to add escape. In this escape clause, we are going to use this symbol as a escape character. So if you want to find out percentage, we have to place this escape character backslash in front of percentage data. This is our percentage data, right? You can see that previously we tried without escape clause, we didn't get. But after we using escape character backslash, okay, we got a money percentage gun. So now the percentage is considered as a data, especially after escape character. So we have to use a escape character before the percentage, right? So same thing we can use it for underscore. See here, if you want to find out the name with underscore, we can use escape character, right? So after escape character, you can give underscore. If you are not using escape character, you will not find out the word with underscore. You can use any escape characters, not only backslash. You can use at also. If you are using at here, okay. So inside a pattern also we have to use same symbol, right? Any symbols we can use as escape character, and if you are using the symbol, particular symbol as escape character, that symbol has to be given inside a pattern, especially before underscore or before percentage, if it is a data, right? Thank you.